Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Gym Management System. Exercise will give you the confidence and energy and comfortable lifestyle for everyone. Exercising every day in the morning or evening will make us more efficient and healthy. So we came up with an idea implementing with the Gym Management System. So this is the Gym Management System website. Here in this website we have four modules like admin, branch manager, gym trainer, and customer. Let's see the flow diagram of the website. So here, admin will log in into the website with the predefined login credentials like email address and password. After logging into the website, admin will add and view the branch manager. So admin will add the branch manager for this gym. So after adding the branch manager, the admin will add the membership for that particular branch, and admin add the membership and view the membership in the view membership page. So after adding the branch managers will log in into the website with the email address and password. After logging into the website, branch manager will add and view the gym trainers. So after adding the gym trainers, branch manager can add the customers to that particular gym trainer. So after adding the customers, the branch manager can view the customers in the view customers page. Then gym trainers will log in into the website with their email address and password, login credentials. So after login, the gym trainers can view the customers. After login, the gym trainers can view the customers. Before this, the customers will log in into the website with the branch manager added or registered email address and password. So after logging into the website, customer can buy the membership in a particular branch. So after buying the membership, customers, the gym trainer can view the customers and add the exercises and view the exercises to that particular customer and add the food diet for that particular customer. After adding the exercise and food diet, these both will also add the branch manager to that particular customer. And after adding the food diet and exercises, the customer can view the exercises and food diet and view the schedules of the membership and buy the membership, and schedules will be, after buying the membership, the schedules will be prepared by branch manager, and those schedules will be viewed by view schedules page in the customers. So this is the flow diagram of the website. Let's see the output here. So this is the website homepage, and here I'm logging into the website with the username admin and password. This is the homepage for admin, and here the admin will add the branch manager with the branch name, branch manager name, manager name and address, about manager, appointed as Laraka, branch manager. So email address and password, phone number, add manager. Manager added successfully. After adding the manager, the admin can view the managers in the view managers page and make them active by clicking the active button. So after activating the manager, the admin will add the membership to that particular branch. So by adding the membership name and validity, finance, price, description, membership for customers. Add membership added successfully. After adding the membership, admin can view the membership, and I'm logging as an admin. Login into the branch manager. So I'm logging into the branch manager with the email address and password. This is the branch manager homepage. After entering into the homepage, the branch manager will add the gym trainers. So with the gym trainer name, email address, and password, phone number, experience, password, trainer, added successfully. After adding the trainer, the branch manager can view the gym trainer and make them active by clicking the activate button. So after activating the gym trainers, the branch manager will add the customers to this particular website, and this is the customer registration form, which is filling by the branch manager. So I'm adding the customer here. With the name, phone number, email, BMI, metabolism here, and height, weight, address, choose membership, and health problems. So after adding the password, customer registration successful in the branch manager page. So after adding the customers, the branch manager can view the customers and add the schedules to that particular customer by choosing the membership, trainer, and from time and to time. By selecting this, the branch manager can add the schedules to that particular customer. Schedule added successfully. After adding the schedules, the branch manager will log out from the website, and gym trainer will log in into the website. So trainee with the email address and password login into the website. Login. This is a training homepage. Here the gym trainee can view the customers. After viewing the customers, the gym trainee will add the exercises to that particular customer. So the level add exercise added successfully. After adding the exercises, the gym trainer will add the food diet to that particular customer. So I'm adding the oats here. food added successfully. So he can also view the added exercises and food here. By clicking this delete button, the exercises and food will be deleted from this page. So after adding the food and exercise, the customers will log in into the website. With the email address and password. This is the customer homepage. Here we have customer details, manager details, and membership details. After entering into the website, the customer can view the membership and buy the membership by clicking the buy button. And by entering the card number and the bank details, the customer can buy the membership. So this card number should be 16 digits. Cardholder name, CVV number, expiry date, and submit. Membership enrolled. After enrollment, customer can view the exercises which are added by trainee and view the food diet which is also added by trainee. And he can also view the schedules which are added by branch manager. So I'll check the trainee details and schedule. Go to the check and log out from the website. So this is the gym management website. So hope you guys all understand. Thank you.